for Savalo wedding go spray on my money. On my body don't come down. And everybody they look me when I they go astray. Nobody tell me anything. And the officer was advise me make I spray. Now go punish him.
Okay. Well, how far now? What's up? Guy, give me $200 I beg. 200 naira. I'll give you back now. I just want to rush you something I beg. Sharply I beg. I'll give you back now. Thanks, Jerry. Nice one. Alright. What's happened now, guy?
You say you go give me back now?
I go give you back now. Why you follow me now? What's happened?
Let me carry follow you now.
I go give you back now.
Don't give me my money, Joe. Go give me back.
Guy, why now?
Go you turn there, go give me back. Let me say you go give me back. I go you can't collect and they go. You don't know what it is, you go give me back.
What have you been feeding him with? Because the secret of this is freshness. I don't understand.
You know about me now. He likes, pizza, burger, chicken and chips, shawarma. So that's what he's been eating, and he loves it too. Sometimes like this gone. Could you wait you one quick? When they are saying you are 4 hours. Yes! When you not get to matter like this, he will not go and sew gari. But look, at times he will garnish his granite. Oh, sorry. So, mommy, those are things that about me it's and it's so healthy.
Shawarma.
Then. Mommy don't like it. You could have brought some for her.
What's wrong with you? Oh, don't you cook?
Mommy, this is 2022 now. Mommy, nobody is cooking again. Nobody in this life that is doing 9 to 5 in this Lagos state. Nobody. Nobody is cooking. I will leave the house till like after I finish doing that, I will not enter traffic. I'll be there. I will not get to work until 9 a.m. I will still close late. I do 9 to 9, not 9 to 5. That one is inside CV. 9 to 9, like shema. Now 9 p.m. I close. I now early to arrive house. I early to arrive. I will get home. Baby, yesterday, Emma will come. Yesterday, what time did I get home?
We're not looking at each other.
What time did I get
2 a.m.
2 a.m., mommy. Is it not that 2 a.m. that I say that? Even if I have a newborn child, mommy cinema. It's only cocktails that are working 9 to 5 job in this Lagos that are cooking. Nobody's cooking again.
Help me.
Guys, there are lots of exciting prizes to win too. If you win car, if you win laptop, plenty gifts. When you use the promo code the general. What will be the promo code? What will be the promo code? Breast. The general. Yeah, you do like play. I recommend my piece. I'm gonna eat you. Chuka!
Someone come save me from Delilah.
Jimmy, what be that? Man, just stay with you for inside this bedroom. You want peace? No, I just want to be with you. Oh boy, if you get cold, I'll show you. Yeah!
Are you playing? What type of playing is this? This is playing.
Was that you knocking?
Yes, now. I wanted to come inside with you and be with you.
Oh, I'm very sorry. I thought it was this way you were going. Remember, I'm here now. Let's go now.
Make them give me chance. Cause if not job, he go back. All my sexy ladies make them dance. Oh, I dance to my music.
I need my shower, love more. Puff pass, I say come again. If I tell what I you for more. Yeah, I'm going to comfort you. Daddy Joe, I'm a jashamba. No plaza. I'm a coming in the matakalas. Isaja, nah. Pick one, pick two, check up, straight winning, no handicap. When them a slip off me, I did.
Mado. Men has come.
100,000 people. Me okay, so tia me, you kilo day.
Fancy, are you ready? I'm ready, sir. Are you ready? Fancy. On action, you have to grab this girl and French kiss her.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Are you ready to play this role?
I'm always ready, sir. I'm always ready. Yes, sir.
Let's go. Bring out the camera. Let's go.
What type of plane is this?
They shoot him outside. They shoot him outside.
I've told you before, it's 2.5 million that is the money. That's all. Just 2.5. Chelgodi, I make you remember. See, let me call you back. I think they're shooting a movie outside here. God, where?
Look at my face. Like I could have killed a lot of people. What's all this? I don't think we can shoot this thing here. Let's look for a more peaceful location. Let's go. So, are you guys ready? Boss, and people they shoot for here. But this, no place Solomon, but they shoot. You the Jones, or you drop that camera. What thing are they do for here? I thought I pay for all this. What is this? Now your father name, daddy name. When I come out for here, I'll make you drop to 50k job.
You want that? You want that?
So, are you guys ready now?
Yes, sir. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm always ready.
Let's go.
Oh my God! Fancy! Is that you? You're going to make it. They always know you're going to make it.
What is this on my face? Get this person out of here!
Sir, can you just take it? Let us do this in fast.
Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Don't play with it.
Yes, just walked in. Bro, I know you still have feelings for this girl, but calm down. Me.
This motherfucker is locked.
Hey! Hi, guys. So I spotted you guys over there. Let me just come and say hello. Hi, Sydney. How are you doing? How are you doing, Sydney? How are you?
I'm good.
Meet my boyfriend, Tochi. You didn't like me.
Sydney.
Come up our road. You know me before. Oh my guys, it was nice meeting you. Bye, Michael. Bye, Sydney. Please, I want you back. I want you back. I want you back. I want you back.
Girls like drama. They like everything difficult. They like everything hard. Don't give them attention. Don't make it obvious that you like them.
Osazi, I beg. I want to buy Bitcoin. What's the name of that website?
JTech.
Yeah.
JTechTrade.com. You can buy and sell Bitcoin, gift card, any cryptocurrency of your choice.
Are they trusted and reliable?
Yes.
Oh, thank you.
Guys, see, my point is, girls like hard guys. They like everything difficult. See, if you see Sandra again, shank her. If she call you, cut her. In fact, tell her you don't like her again.
I should tell her I don't like her.
Yes, tell her you don't like her. She'll come running after you.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Sydney, your crush, Sandra. Yes.
Hi, Sydney.
Hi.
Hello.
How you doing?
I'm fine. So I wanted to invite you to...
Wait. I just want to say that you're not my type and I don't like you.
Oh. Okay, that's fine. Well, I just wanted to invite you to my wedding. Jesus! I'm getting married on Saturday. Jesus! I would love for you to be there.
What be this?
Alright, bye.
Jesus.
Oh, please. Could you put on green because you're my bridal train?
Yeah! Go hang yourself.
Emotional, damn it!
Don't play with it, don't be decide.
This would help some Christians.
They took me off my feet. You know the Bible says, when you give sparingly, you shall reap sparingly. But when you give bountifully, you shall reap bountifully. So I will call them out. What they gave was too much. So we are going to pray for them especially. Church, you will pray for them that the Lord will uplift them. That God will give to them. Yeah!
Go and see. So church, a gathering where we have Dangote and $100, do you consider 100,000 naira sparing or bountiful?
Sparing.
Meanwhile, a lot of person donated and you want to pray special, you are like, God, people give, but you see this one, bless them, pass this. That is what you are saying. Is that what you are saying or not?
It's just a special prayer.
It's just okay. So the special prayer, I say, God, this one bring 100 and give him better gift. Buy this one, just find out something. Because the definition of sparing and bountiful is money for you. Give me big money. Any money that is big to you. That means the moment $10 and Dangote give you 10 million naira, those people, they become sparing.
It's a pity for you.
Jesus!
It is not well with my soul. It is not well with my soul.
And his name is John C.
Oh, Billy. Oh, Billy.
Are very stupid.
Your body surprise me. What is this? Some whiskey for body. What is this? Waiting, I dey see.
Jesus.
How far now, senior man?
I did alright.
She carry me go where I don't know. She carry me go where I don't know.
I did alright.
Baby Shako, your body sweet like Joe. I'm so deed of my bro, I'm sorry. If no money don't come, it's been a long way coming.
Hello, Tiwa. Tiwa Savage. Bestie. Oh, you're taking Jam to Imade's place. Come on now, you know he prefers his favorite auntie to take him. And I would have taken him with the Bentley 2022 I just bought. No, he doesn't really like the Ferrari. The Ferrari 2022. It's fine. You know what I could do? Maybe when I'm leaving here, I'll go pick him up. Is that fine? Okay. My kisses to Imade too. All right, bestie. Hello, sister. Yeah. You see Tiwa Savage? She's so considerate. Hey, she was just thinking about me like she doesn't want to stress me. Normally, I'm the only one that used to drop jam anytime he's going. He likes me. And he likes my Bentley 2022.
Don't say. He does.
She's so nice.
Oh, you're so lucky, you know. Because, you know, a lot of people don't understand that when you're friends with celebrities, is another level, like another life on its own. I mean, like, if you look at my face, you see that my face is kind of swollen. I'm actually not rested, though. I was jamming with Beyonce, not by myself, exactly. And then she did something that really, you know, upset me, but I mean, it's fine. So she wanted to go to Bonner's show, and then she said to me, oh, she wanted to wear this diamond. You know that Bonner Boy is always wearing diamond, and she didn't want Bonner Boy to intimidate her. She gets. So now I went to Katie's store to pick their latest collection. I spent $60,000.
Jesus!
$60,000. I want me to get to her house, and her stylist already brought the same jewelry. Since I took another private jet back to Beverly Hills, I spent $15,000 just to go and return that chain. It's alright, Sha. It happens like that sometimes.
Auntie Boya Kema, calm down. Larry, I just checked Beyonce's story yesterday. Beyonce is still in UK. And he went to see her and came back.
Auntie, I don't know, what's this? Maybe I think hair is still on your neck.
Oh, it's the hair.
Your body can't go, your temperature is high. Mud. You are very mud. So you know when Beyonce is in the joke, you know, and you are telling me, Tiwa Savage, you want to go and carry Bentley, you want to go and carry. How much do you think they're selling Bentley again? 2.6, I mean 14.4. How much do you think they're selling Bentley? Tiwa Savage that is in Ghana. We jam and Imade and Daddy Imade and Mommy Imade. Makparo Shikiri. Do you even have work? You be roaming about Lagos living fake life. Do you have work? Do you know what next bet? No, I don't know. You can't know what next bet. I can bet it with you. You don't know it. In case for Savage wanna do giveaway, I know that you are one of them. And to pick me. You write pick me more than 10 times. You write pick me more than you write jam in your life. Once they pick you, you carry the 5K. Then you give 5K. No. You carry the 5K. You use that one to bet on one next bet. On your first deposit, they will even able to increase it by 200%. My name is Kiki. That's my promo code. Exactly. KIE. You can use it to bet. Do something meaningful with your life. Earn real money. And stop spending money you don't have in your head. Only 2020 Bentley. You might not own Besha. You might not that Bentley.
I'll try the 1x bet because I want to support you.
You support me.
Lolly. Alright, me lolly. Lollipop. How are you? So have you finished taking all the pictures you came to take? The pictures are so dope. Yeah, the wig. One more time now, the wig.
Jesus!
This is why I don't like borrowing you something. Be fast. Lola, baby. The wig is so nice. Hey, remove it now. You want Oga to come and slap me because of you.
So the wig is not your own. You can't afford a wig. Yes, your common sense not to you, but you should avoid a Bentley. Don't bear. Ha! You better get up and be going now. Before the owner of the clothes come and look at the way. Ori chichichi.